Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
What is going on, and good morning. Here is your 1 minute of motivation from the Learn, Develop, Live podcast, and here is your quote for today. Today is a good day to have a great day. Can you smell it? Can you smell the hope and optimism in the air? Today is the perfect day to go and have a great day. There is so much hope, promise and opportunity waiting for you to make some progress and movement with your goals, plans and dreams. Get yourself out of bed with the intention of making something great really happening for you today.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.